Who's in charge of your city? Understanding municipal government in Canada. Every city or town in Canada needs a government to help keep things running smoothly. But who makes the decisions about things like roads, garbage collection, and public parks? Who decides where new schools, fire stations, and bus stops should go? In this video, we'll break down the major roles in municipal government, including the mayor, the city council, and the local services they manage. By the end, you'll understand how your city or town is run and why municipal government is important in daily life. Brought to you by Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work. Discover the full range of what we offer at supersimplesheets.com. The mayor, the leader of the city. The mayor is the head of the municipal government. People in the city or town vote for the mayor in local elections, and the person with the most votes becomes the leader. The mayor's job is to represent the community, make important decisions about local services, and work with the city council to improve the city. They also speak on behalf of the city at major events and meetings, including discussions with the provincial and federal governments. If a city is facing a big issue, such as a natural disaster or a major public event, the mayor plays an important role in making announcements and guiding emergency responses. The city council, making local decisions. The city council is a group of elected representatives called councillors. Each councillor represents a specific area of the city, called a ward. People in each ward vote for their councillor just like they vote for the mayor. The number of councillors depends on the size of the city. Large cities have more councillors, while smaller towns may only have a few. City council's main job is to debate and vote on new rules called bylaws that affect the city. These bylaws can cover things like speed limits, zoning laws that decide where buildings can be constructed, and rules about keeping public spaces clean. If a new bylaw is proposed, councillors discuss it in a meeting, listen to community concerns, and then vote. If the majority agrees, the bylaw is passed, and it becomes an official rule that people in the city must follow. Local government services, what they control. Municipal governments are responsible for many services people use every day. Unlike the federal and provincial governments, which focus on national laws and healthcare, municipal governments handle things that directly affect daily life. They manage public transportation, garbage and recycling collection, road maintenance, libraries, parks, and emergency services like police, fire departments, and ambulances. They also decide where to build new roads, playgrounds, and community centers. Another important job of the municipal government is handling the city's budget. Cities and towns get most of their money from property taxes, which homeowners and businesses pay based on the value of their property. The mayor and city council decide how this money will be spent to improve the community. How it all works together. The municipal government is responsible for making sure cities and towns are safe, clean, and well-maintained. The mayor leads the city and makes important decisions. The city council works with the mayor to debate and vote on local rules and policies. Municipal governments also manage essential public services that people rely on every day. While federal and provincial governments focus on bigger issues, municipal governments handle the decisions that directly impact daily life. Now that you know how municipal government works, what local service do you think is the most important for your community? Thanks for watching. Simplify your teaching journey with Super Simple Sheets. Across Canada, we're known for our ready-to-use, curriculum-aligned worksheets. Dive into our educational solutions at supersimplesheets.com. Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work.